Hello, Booster Base here. Today we'll be over some Yu-Gi-Oh! To be exact, Rising of Duelist, $10 Walmart challenge. You know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this. These are all first edition, so like I always say, open all 3 packs and then go through the packs to see if we pulled anything good. Rising of the Duelist is actually up in price. For a booster box, I think it's well over $100 now. But it's nothing like Toon Chaos, where it's like almost breaking. I think Toon Chaos First Edition is breaking $200. So, I don't know. Could be wrong, could be right, who knows. Okay, let's move that over there. This right here, and then we'll go to this. Okay, we got the Playhouse, the Mummy, the Dragon, the Encounter, Rampaging Smash Tank Rhino Saber. Nice. We got a Dark Lord, South Winds, Discharge, Diameter. Okay. Next pack we have Dolphin, Encounter, Dark Lord, Playhouse, Leafy Puppy, Scythe, Drill Driver, Megalith, Junk Sleep. Okay. Next we have Arc, Gaia, Repair, Little Star, and then we got Rampaging Smash Tank Rhino Saber again. Oof. Discharge, Southwind, and Dark Lord. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And remember, this video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast. Bye-bye.